you want to uninstall Powertoys because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Powertoys on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way.
First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Powertoys. Click on the three dots to open the Microsoft Powertoys options. Press Modify. Press Yes. Press Uninstall. Wait for Powertoys to be uninstalled.